I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle
Jewelry care kits. Cleans, shines, and protects your jewelry. It's the full packages. Gem and jewelry cleaner. So to clean your gems, your gemstones like diamonds, sapphires, and your jewelry. Rings, grills, chains, pendants. This is one of the best out there, guys. It comes with the jewelry care cloth and 8 ounces of gem and jewelry cleaner. Instructions are very simple on the back. Go see Fred, guys. Appreciate you guys. And this is non-toxic, as you can see, environmentally friendly. Blitz Gem Jewelry Care Kit since 1912. Wow. Go see Fred.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than roach clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole